Why do Scandinavian homes always feel so peaceful? It's not because they're empty, it's because every piece has a purpose. Because instead of adding more, they simply choose better. Today, you'll see how those ideas come together in this modern Scandinavian living area, kitchen area, and bedroom, where every material, furniture piece, and layout is carefully chosen to create a space that's warm, practical, and comfortable. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. The goal is to create a modern Scandinavian living area by choosing pieces that make your daily routine easier while keeping the space calm and simple. Start with your walls. Use a warm beige paint finish so natural light reflects better throughout the room. For the flooring, install large light gray porcelain tiles. They also make the floor look more continuous, which helps the room feel less busy. Keep the ceiling simple with an evenly spaced LED recessed downlights. For the seating area, choose an L-shaped sectional sofa layered with pillows to allow everyone to sit with comfort. Next, add an upholstered ottoman. This is one of the most practical pieces you can own because it changes depending on what you need. Beside the sofa, place a round side table to keep things within easy reach while you're relaxing. Now place a pair of round nesting coffee tables, then style it with a ceramic vases with simple greenery. Underneath the seating area, use a large textured rug for your underfoot and protecting your floor from scratches. Near the window, place a tall indoor plant to soften the hard surfaces created by the walls. Now let's move to the entertainment wall. Install a wood slat feature wall with a TV panel, giving the TV area a custom-built appearance. At the center, mount a smart TV together with a floating TV console. Since the cabinet doesn't touch the floor, cleaning underneath becomes much easier. Beside the TV, include open display shelving with books and other selected items. Next, make use of the empty wall by adding a fluted console table styled with curated decors. For your layered lighting, combine a warm LED cove lighting, modern sculptural chandelier, LED strip lighting, a floor lamp, and table lamp if you want a more relaxing atmosphere in the evening. You can use full-height sheer curtains and blackout drapes to allow natural daylight and help reduce afternoon heat. Because every piece serves more than one purpose, this living room doesn't just look organized. It also works better for everyday life with an estimated total cost of $4,500 to $6,100. The goal is to create a modern Scandinavian kitchen that's bright, practical, and easy to work in while keeping the space clean and uncluttered. Keep the ceiling simple with an evenly spaced LED recessed downlights and a round flush mount LED ceiling light at the center. Now let's talk about the layout. Use a U-shaped kitchen layout to keep the sink, cooktop, and refrigerator close together, reducing unnecessary movement while cooking and making the entire workspace more efficient. For your cabinetry, install matte white laminated base cabinets and overhead cabinets with an open display shelves for everyday items and simple decor. For the countertop, choose a white speckled quartz with a matching backsplash for continuous and seamless design. Now complete the working area with a slim range hood installed directly above the cooktop. Below the cooktop, add a built-in electric oven, making food preparation more convenient. Now let's make the island more functional. Build a waterfall island with a vertical fluted wood accent panel on the front and add 3 upholstered counter stools for quick breakfasts, afternoon coffee, or casual conversations. Above it, install 3 globe pendant lights to provide focused lighting over the countertop. To maximize the end of the island, include a built-in open wine and glass display cabinet. To provide better lighting, install install LED strip lights under overhead cabinets and open shelving. Finally, complete the countertops with few accessories to make the space feel lived in. Because every feature is designed to improve both function and comfort, this modern Scandinavian kitchen looks perfect with an estimated total cost of around $9,500 to $15,500. The goal is to create a bedroom that feels simple and comfortable, so every piece helps you relax while keeping the room clean and clutter-free. Keep the ceiling simple with evenly spaced LED recessed down lights to help the room feel comfortable from morning until bedtime. Choose a platform bed with white bedding layered with accent pillows and a textured throw blanket. To complete the headboard wall, install 3 framed abstract artworks above the bed to create a clean focal point while maintaining the minimalist character of Scandinavian design. On both sides, place matching wooden nightstands for your lamp or other things within easy reach. Under the bed, place a large woven area rug, making your first step in the morning more comfortable. Near the window, position a standing electric fan to improve air circulation. Across the bed, create a functional storage wall by adding a fluted console cabinet to keep everyday items neatly hidden, while the open shelf below provides extra space. Style it with a small indoor plant and selected accessories for cleaner and simple appearance. Above, hang a large abstract artwork for a simple focal point without overpowering the rest of the room. Beside it, install a floating vanity with soft rounded corner, paired with an upholstered vanity stool that easily slides underneath the vanity whenever it's not in use. Then complete it with a full-height mirror. Near the entrance, maximize your storage with a full-height built-in wardrobe finished in warm wood and soft white panels. To soften the large wardrobe, include open corner display shelves with LED strip lighting for selected items while breaking up the solid cabinet doors to keep the design visually lighter. Finally, complete the room with full-height sheer curtains paired with blackout drapes for more comfortable sleeping environment at night. Because every element is designed around comfort, simplicity, and functionality, this modern Scandinavian bedroom becomes more than just a place to sleep, but a peaceful retreat for everyday living with an estimated total cost of around $9,500 to $12,500. So, from the living area to the kitchen and bedroom, every material, furniture piece, and layout was carefully selected to create a home that's warm, practical, and comfortable for everyday living. And that's the beauty of modern Scandinavian design. Instead of filling every corner, it focuses on choosing the right pieces that truly improve the way you live. We hope this gave you ideas and inspiration that you can apply to your own home. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.